they didn't have a predator until now. Here is a male and female jumping spider. They make one deadly duo. After adding them into the tank, they began the hunt. The crickets have incredible eyesight, but the spider's vision is even better. They have eyes on the front and back of their head. With only one bite, he is totally paralyzed. It was time to enjoy her hard-earned meal. Now, life around the log did not go unnoticed. Inside, the queen's first worker had begun to hatch. The queen helped her emerge from her cocoon until she could stand on her own 6 feet. She was the first